kind of felt like playing a game, so this video would be recording me playing, probably very terribly, a Sega Master System game. It's a game I haven't played but maybe 3 times since the 80s. Last time was about 2 months ago, but before that it had to be decades. I'm guessing early 90s. Anyhow, let's load up the core. Alright, once you get to the Sega screen, you got to get to the on-screen display. And you can change some things in the system if you need. The region, you swap joysticks, change the TV system from NTSC to PAL, which is good if you have a big game collection, which I do on here. Okay, we can go into load. This is the main directory of the SD card. So we're going to go into the NES folder, excuse me, not NES folder. We need to go into the Sega Master System folder. That would help. If the game's broken up, a few letters mainly, but even that, it takes a long time to scroll through. Probably need to break this up to individual letters. And scroll down to Astro Warriors. Astro Warrior. Sega Master System was the first console I bought new, and this is one of the few games I had on it. Really enjoyed it. Let's see if I can not embarrass myself here. Ah! Whew. Up. Oh, that was terrible. Thanks for watching.